Morning students. I hope you all are doing well and doing your homework. As we have discussed in our previous video about the concept of comprehension, that how to attempt a comprehension. So in this video also we are going to learn how to attempt a scene comprehension. So the points are same, but first of all, what is the meaning of scene comprehension? So as this is scene comprehension, so scene means that we have already seen this comprehension in our notebook or in our book. So here we have this comprehension in our English book. English book is course book and the chapter number 1, Toy Train to Ooty, page number is also 1. Here we have the comprehension. The toy train is the main attraction. The toy train, this comprehension is here, and the last lines are train in South India. So this passage ends here, train in South India. So as you have seen this comprehension in your book, so first of all we will learn how to attempt a scene comprehension. In case of scene comprehension, we don't have any need to write the whole passage as we have done in our unseen passage. So we will write here accordingly. The train, the toy train, here the toy train, the first words and the last words. Train in South India. Phillips, South India. And the page is 1 and the course book. So beta, don't forget it to write in the bracket the page number and the book name, so that we can easily find out the passage from our book. So here the points are same. How to attempt a comprehension? Read the passage thoroughly. Now we will read this passage thoroughly. The toy train is the main attraction of popular hill station. Ooty is the South Indian state of Tamil Nadu. It is also known as Nilgiri Mountain Railway toy train and is the cheapest rail system in Asia. It is the only heritage train in South India. So the next point is underline the important points. Now we will underline the important points as we have already underlined the important words or important sentences. The toy train, the main attraction, popular hill station of Ooty, state of Tamil Nadu, Nilgiri Mountain Railway toy train, only heritage train in South India. So after that, read the questions thoroughly. Now we will read the questions. Which is the main attraction of Ooty? In which state of toy train runs? Now underline the answers and write in the notebook. Now we will underline here the answers, and after that we will write those answers in our notebook or in the given space. So the first question is, which is the main attraction? Here we have answered the toy train is the main attraction of popular hill station. So we will write here the answer. In which state toy train runs? Toy train runs in the South Indian state of Tamil Nadu. So we will pick the answer from our given question. Toy train runs in the South Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Very simple. So come on the next. Phillips. It is the dash train in South India. It is the heritage train in South India. It is the only heritage train in South India. So come on the next. Toy train is the main attraction of dash. Toy train is the main attraction of dash. Ooty, as we all know. Now find out the nouns. So in the given passage we will find out the noun, as we have already write here Ooty. As we all know about the noun, as we have already discussed in our previous videos or in our worksheet that what is noun. So I have write here Ooty. As you know, the name of a place is a noun. So I have already write here Ooty. So toy train, train is also a noun. So I have already write here toy train. This is very simple beta when you attempt the seen passage. So now read this passage carefully and thoroughly, and after that write the both of the passage in your English notebook. Thank you.